Boracay trip. It's 7:30 in the morning. We thought we'd get up early, and my girlfriend wanted to go on this little, what was it called, crystal boat thing. That's what it's called. It's basically like a little boat, but it's see-through. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Look how beautiful this place is. So we just had the little crystal boat trip, which is, I couldn't take this on because it wasn't waterproof. So it wasn't we didn't have any like waterproof things for our phones or our DJI camera, so I didn't bring it on. But I could show you a few pictures after. Just found out that I lost the little glare. I don't know what it's called. That glare reflective screen chip thing for my drone. So I went to fly it up, but then everything was really white. So I probably lost it when I last crashed it in Hong Kong, and I think I just realised it now. No, no. Mangoes. Bread. Pizza. Eggs. Kimchi scrambled eggs. Cakes. Some Japanese squid ball curry. So I sign out the things that we want for our eggs. So we want tomatoes. You want tomatoes?
No.
Onions. Bacon. Ham. Mushroom. Cheese. Onion. Table 21. One over easy and one omelette. I have the same tomato, onion, cheese, ham. Thank you. Thanks. Just finished breakfast, checking out and then heading to another hotel. Is it this one? Cobalt. It's this one. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Tit Hotel. The mall restroom. Orange juice. Oh, some energy drinks. Yeah, nice though. Crown Cola. The energy drinks. Gatorade. Iced tea. Lemon. Soda. Noodles. More noodles. Ramen.
Coffee float and not available now.
Oh, no milk tea?
No.
Oh, is that machine?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Look, that's good. It's not available. Why is it not available? This one? Yeah. Oh, I see. Iced coffee. Okay. April 30th. You can't take the Hong Kong out of the girl. Hello. Hey, hello. Is it very fast? No?
Okay, that's normal.
Okay.
Just wait for a while, because the sunset is
Sure,
still high.
yeah, no problem, no problem.
You can wait.
Okay. You know, for tomorrow, the walking underwater, we don't need shoes, right?
Yes, no,
No need shoes. Okay.
the shoes only the scuba diving.
Ah, okay. Waiting to see the sunset on the yacht, but I think we have to wait another 10 minutes.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise, paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes.
Best experience ever. I think anybody that comes to Boracay should take this yacht sunset experience. It was so nice. I don't think I've seen anything more beautiful than that. That was the best thing ever. I think it was like half an hour. So beautiful. I think Boracay has my heart. I said earlier on day one that I'll probably just come the once, but I can see myself coming again. Highly recommended. So we're gonna go and look for a restaurant once we've changed shorts and skirts respectively, because got a bit wet from the yacht trip, sunset trip. But yeah, and then we're gonna see what we can find to eat. Squid. Out of all the hotels, we booked the hotel with a DJ until midnight. Great.
The world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy, the wheel breaks the butterfly. Every tear a waterfall in the night.